This question is from GATE 2011, Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 4. A simply supported beam PQ is loaded by a moment of 1 kN meter at the midspan of the beam as shown in the figure. The reaction forces Rp and Rq at the supports P and Q respectively are. Let's see how the support reactions will be found out here. Let's start by drawing the free body diagram of this beam. There are basically two methods to solve this problem. First is using the equilibrium equations. So assuming first Rp and Rq both upwards, we'll apply summation Fy equal to 0, x-axis being along the beam and y-axis being transverse to the beam. So Fy equal to 0 indicates Rp plus Rq equal to 0. Only the forces are going to come into picture here. Moment will not be added. Now the second equilibrium equation is summation of moment about point P. We'll take moment about point P equal to 0. We can take any point, but we'll take point P as the distance from point P for each of the forces and moments is known here. So we have 1 kilonewton meter moment clockwise. Let's take it negative. So minus 1 plus, this is an anti-clockwise moment created by RQ into 1. So we have RQ into 1 meter is equal to 0. This will give us RQ is equal to 1 kilonewton. While using the first equilibrium equation, we also have Rp is equal to, RQ is 1, so Rp is minus 1 kilonewton. That means the sign that we assume for Rp is wrong. Rp is actually downward. While Rq it is correct, it is upward 1 kilonewton. So the answer is Rp is 1 kilonewton downward while Rq is 1 kilonewton upward. The second method to solve this question is very simple. It's an intuitive method. That is, a 1 kilonewton meter clockwise moment is what this beam is subjected to alone. There is no other force or no other moment on the beam. So we can intuitively solve it by showing that RQ and Rp should provide a counterclockwise moment in order to balance this clockwise moment. So RQ being upward, Rp being downward will generate a counterclockwise moment or anticlockwise moment. If this distance between them is 1 meter, that is length of the beam, we should have 1 kilonewton each of an upward RQ and a downward Rp spaced out at 1 meter in order to produce a anti-clockwise moment of 1 kilonewton meter. And therefore RQ and Rp will be 1 kilonewton each. Rp should be downward whereas RQ should be upward. And that's how we'll get our answer. Rp downward 1 kilonewton while RQ upward 1 kilonewton. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Rp and RQ are asked respectively. So 1 kilonewton downward, 1 kilonewton upward is the answer. Option A. To learn about the basics of beams, how to find reactions at support and bending moment, you can refer to the NPTEL video lecture 11 Beams 2 from the course Engineering Mechanics. This course is by Professor K. Ramesh. He is from IIT Madras. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.